Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, Your Excellency, the First Lady, Mama Rachel Ruto, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, Cabinet Secretary for Education, all other leaders present, and our great teachers and students. Good afternoon. Your Excellency, I have very little to say except to say that we have really had a nice time with our visitors in Embu County. It was a very, very beautiful 9 days with them, and it was also a chance for the people of Embu County to have serious booming business. So thank you very much for choosing Embu County, the land of opportunity. Your Excellency, I've had a chance after many years to watch what talent Kenya has to offer. And let me say that looking at where I came from and where we are right now, we've truly come a long way in terms of arts and creative industry. And all we ask for is for more support from national government and the county government, Your Excellency. But more importantly, because these talents are coming right from the grassroots level, as you have seen Chipukizi coming from very far and ending up in State House, that all of us governors must seriously consider building the necessary infrastructure in form of modern theaters so that these young people can have the right places to perform and build their potential. Further, I think it is important we continue to make funds available for this important industry and ensure that we help in monetizing the same so that we can give employment to our young people. Thank you, Excellency, for the support your government continues to give to these young people, to the creative industry, to the talent Kenyans across the country, and we look forward to even more support. Asanteni sana, na mukienda nyumbani, musalimie wale muliwacha. Asanteni sana. Thank you.
Thank you very, very much, Chair, and my colleague, Your Excellency, the President.